It's the Super Bowl. You know what that means.
It means football.
No! Super skateboarding tutorials. So, today we're gonna do skateboard tutorial. We're going to do some amazing things. We're gonna show you how to ride a skateboard. And also, we're gonna show you how to do tricks and the stuff not to do on a skateboard. You're not even recording me because you are on a skateboard. Okay, number 1. Never wear a helmet. Helmets are for babies.
A few moments later.
Maybe I should wear a helmet, but I don't have one. You have a helmet? Come here.
First step is finding if you're a righty or lefty. How to know this? I don't know. Ask your mom. So, first thing is, put either your righty or lefty foot on the logo on your skateboard. If you don't have a logo, your skateboard sucks.
Loser.
Tell your mama to buy you a new one. Alright, I am a lefty, I think. So you go like this, right? And then like, this might happen, okay? Try to like put the other foot on
Your TikToks.
this is a skater's secret trick.
Don't tell anybody about this.
You just take a normal Tic Tac from like the 7-Eleven or something. The green ones are the best ones. Change my mind. Oh. I did it! I did it! And now, you gotta find
guys are in the shot.
But I don't know how to steer, so I think I'm gonna have to visit the Colonels. Colonels!
Number 1 thing, kids, watch out for signs. They serve as warning, like this one that says no parking. Whoa! Kids, next we're gonna learn how to steer. What you do, stand on here like you would ride. But this isn't like any bike, scooter, or car. You have no handles. What you do, you stand on it and you lean. If it squeaks, it's good. It's meaning that you're heavy, and that's a good thing. So like you just turn, you lean forward to turn right, left, I mean, and then you lean backward. Whoa! Ah! No!
Danny, watch out for the poop.
Next, we're gonna cover footwear. So if you have Vans, Converse, or Levi's, you're good to go. But if you have Nikes or Adidas, you're out of there. Adidas and Nikes for sports. But skateboarding is a nice etiquette sport where you wear certain shoes to skate. Okay? Okay. Now we're gonna move on to tricks, alright? So this one's not really a trick, but it's a good one for beginners. So if you're on the board and you don't want to step off, but you want to gain speed, what you do is you're gonna step, so that you're gonna lift the board, so then it goes like this, and you gain momentum. So what you do, get your feet on like this, and you're gonna want to put your leg in the back, all the way on the tip, so then it leans backwards like that. But at the same time, you want to turn like crap. This. So and keep moving like that way. Now that we taught you all things for a beginner, we're doing a montage.
to ride a skateboard, and you saw that sick montage of my friend and I. Now we can do expectations versus reality.
Alright, that's all we could do for expectation and reality.
So that brings us to conclusion to our video. Thanks for watching our skateboard tutorials.
And we want to give a shout out to this little guy who helped us with the expectation and reality, but he lost his arm in the process.
Thanks, Radical Dudes.
Yeah!
Bentley singing the trumpet. A little bit of Monica in my life. A little bit of Erica by my side. A little bit of Rita's all I need. A little bit of Tina's what I see. A little bit of Sandra in the sun. A little bit of Mary all night long. A little bit of Jessica, here I am. A little bit of you makes me your man.